here we are, guys, back out on the water. I got home from work last night at about 4 a.m. So I grabbed 4 hours of sleep and got up at 8 o'clock. So I'm a little late getting to the lake. It's about 10 o'clock. I'm curious to see how muddy this place got. We got a power rain last week, so let's get this boat dipped in the water and see what it looks like. Well, guys, midday update. 0. I haven't caught anything. I just rigged up some different tackle, and I'm gonna make a pretty big move, head to another end of the lake and see if I can figure something out. Can't seem to get these smallies to cooperate, so let's try something else. Oh my gosh, look at that freaking toad. Look at this freaking toad, guys. Guys, look at this freaking giant. Giant female largie up here shallow. Oh man, ripped his head off. There we go. Smallie on a spinnerbait. Guys, I went through a humongous stinking dry spell. Kind of ridiculous how long I went without a bite. Just kept moving and moving and moving. Got a little smallie to come up and eat the spinnerbait. Go. That's a good one. Big old smallie. Nice big smallie on the speed trap. Boy, these smallmouth absolutely crush your spinnerbait. Guys, I was being dumb again and running one camera. I'm pretty sure I missed my last 2 smallmouth I caught, including one of them was a really nice one. But this guy here smacked the spinnerbait, knocked slack in it. Wow, he's giant. He's mad. Fish looked like he was attacked by something. Oh man.
And then on the other side of the motel.
Hold on Miles, hold on 1 second, I hooked a fish. Another smallie on a spinnerbait. No, that's all right, buddy. I gotta go clear to James Creek. Yeah, yep. Good luck, guys. Tell you what, guys, one of the adventures to owning an old boat is you never know when you're gonna get stranded. I was all the way up the lake and I couldn't get my motor to start up at that last spot when I was trying to run back. So I'm gonna close the video out here with the motor running because I'm too scared to shut it off. But today was an absolute grind. It was one of the hardest days of fishing I've had in a while. I didn't get any bites until 1:30 in the afternoon. Then I caught a big largemouth and grinded clear to the end to catch some smallmouth. I'm gonna get this boat back to the ramp before I end up getting stuck out here. Thanks for tuning back in, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one.